Hey you, viewer, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stream on Twitch with OBS. Before we can start, you need to do two things, and that is go to Google, search for OBS, click on that, download it, and once you download it, please go to Twitch, create a Twitch account, and when you just created a Twitch account, you can start with the steps that I will show you right now how you can stream on Twitch. I will show you this as quick as possible. So from now, go to your profile picture and then click on video producer. Then right here we go to settings and then click on stream. Here is the primary stream key, and this is the key that links your OBS to the Twitch platform. So make sure that you copy this link, and then when I throw my OBS just right here to you guys, click on file, click on settings, and then from here go to stream. Then select Twitch, server, you can select if you want that, but now it's not necessary because I want auto recommended. And right now we remove this and we do V. Then do apply, then do OK. And right now we just linked our account to our channel. So right now, if we go live on OBS, we go live just right here and everyone can see that we will go live. So now if I tap on this little thing just right here, start streaming, we start streaming on Twitch. If you have questions about anything else, please let me know that in the comments, because there is a 24/7 policy where I answer questions to you guys. So for now, thanks for watching, have a wonderful day, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. Thanks for watching, ciao!